Hi dear students, welcome back. We have learnt in the last video about the sum of n terms. Now we have going to learn these sum of the infinite terms of GP. म्हणजे काय की आतापर्यंत बघितलं की n terms म्हणजे Sn पाहिला आपण. म्हणजे n terms was there and the sum of them we can find out by using a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1, whereas modulus of r is greater than 1, and whereas Sn a in bracket 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r, whereas r is less than 1. See, then how to do this? If the terms are infinite, see, sum of infinite terms of GP मधल्या infinite terms ची addition काय असेल, sum काय असेल. Consider a GP of positive terms. The sum of first n terms is, we know that a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 here. Now a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. If modulus of r is greater than 1, याच्यासाठी r minus 1 is constant, but when r raised to n approaches infinity, r raised to n approaches infinity as n approaches to infinity. Clearly? So the infinite terms cannot be summed up. Infinite terms cannot be summed up. If modulus of r, which is less than 1, modulus of r is less than 1, r raised to n approaches to 0. Clearly approaches to the 0. As n approaches to infinity, and the sum Sn, this will be what? R raised to n infinite 1 minus, आता हा गेला, लेस दॅन r वाला कोण आला? हा आला. इथं r raised to n काय झाला? इनफायनाइट, पण लेस दॅन 1 असल्यामुळे तो टेंड्स टू 0. 1 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1. बरोबर आहे. इथे 0 व्हायचा प्रश्न येते कारण रेस टू n नाही आहे ना, इनफायनाइट होऊ शकत नाही. दॅट मीन्स इथे रिमेनिंग काय? 1 minus 0 a into 1 minus 0 a upon 1 minus r, and the sum Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. Here r raised to n approaches to 0. Here n approaches to infinity when this approaches to 0, approaches a by 1 upon r. Here the infinite summation of r from 1 to infinity, Pr is said to be a upon 1 minus r. म्हणजे काही केलं तर इथं समजा -1 आला, रेज टू इन्फायनाइट, वी कॅन राईट डाऊन हियर. मग काय होणार? तो 1 अपॉन इन्फायनाइट 0 येणार ना, इन्फिनिटीचा 1 अपॉन इन्फिनिटी होणार, तो 0 होणार. सिमिलरली हियर वी कॅन से दॅट, म्हणजे तो 1/2 आला, रेज टू इन्फायनाइट ना, एन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आर इन्फायनाइट, 1 upon 2 raised to infinity. What? This is nothing but 0. 1 upon infinity. 1 upon infinity is nothing but 0. म्हणजे याची व्हॅल्यू 0 होईल, म्हणजे 1 minus 0 1 येईल. a upon 1 minus r is the last sum of the infinite terms. मग आता हे आपण कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचं? कुठल्या एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये? तर आतापर्यंत आपण n टर्म्स बद्दल बघितलं, पण इन्फायनाइट टर्म्स येतात कसं ते शोधायचं आहे. तर काय करणार? सी, determine whether the sum to infinity of the following GPs exists केव्हा होतं? When the sum to infinity exists when modulus of r is less than 1 असेल तर. Does not exist केव्हा? Otherwise means modulus of r is greater than 1 असला पाहिजे. लेस दॅन 1 असेल तर डेफिनेटली एक्झिस्ट होतो, आणि ग्रेटर दॅन 1 असेल तर डज नॉट एक्झिस्ट. लेस दॅन 1 एक्झिस्ट होणारच. पहिला बघू आता आपण. आणि काय सांगितलंय? डिटरमाइन वेदर द सम टू इन्फिनिटी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग जीपीज एक्झिस्ट. इफ एक्झिस्ट फाइंड देम. जर एक्झिस्ट होत असेल तर फाइंड करा. फर्स्ट 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, infinite. Here a is equal to 1/2, r is equal excuse 1/4 upon 1/2, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 by 1. 2 ones are 2 twos. This will be 1 by 2, which is modulus of r is less than 1. Therefore, sum to infinity exists. Therefore, s is equal to sum to infinity, s infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Therefore, a is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 minus r again 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. Sum to infinity is here 1. This is your final answer. The exists hoto ka hoto. Why? Because modulus of r is less than 1. Half is less than 1. And then sum to infinity is nothing but a upon 1 minus r. This is your formula for sum to infinity. A is equal to half, r is equal to half. Half, 2 ones are 2 minus 1, 1, 1 by 2. That means get cancelled, remains 1. That is the sum of all these is 1. Next, 2, 4 by 3. 2 means 2 by 1. Consider 4 by 3, 8 by 9, 16 by 27. Here, a is equal to 2. R is equal to 4 by 3 upon, 8 by 9 upon 4 by 3. 8 by 9 into 3 by 4. 4 2s are 3 3s are 2 by 3, which is less than 1, na? Means 0.36 are 36 are 36 are 0.6, which is less than r. R is less than 1. Therefore, sum to infinity exists. Now s is equal to, or s infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r. A 2, 1 minus 2 by 3. S is equal to 2 upon 3 minus 2 by 3. S is equal to 3 2s are 6 upon 3 minus 2 1. S is equal to x is equal to 6. Sum to infinity is nothing but 6. This is your final answer. Actually, yeah. Next, minus 3, 1, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 9, so on. Here, a is equal to minus 3, r is equal to 1 by minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. Whereas modulus of r, which is minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3, is less than 1. Therefore, sum to infinity exists sum to infinity. So sum to infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Here a is minus 3, 1 minus in bracket minus 1 by 3. S infinity is equal to minus 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 3 upon 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3, which is equal to minus 9 by 4. Minus 9 by 4 is the answer. A is equal to minus 3, 1 minus in bracket minus 1 by 3. Therefore, this will be positive here. Okay. 3 3 is 9, minus 9 by 4. Next. 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5, 16 by 5. Now see, here a is equal to 1 by 5, r is equal to minus 2 by 5 upon 1 by 5, which is equal to minus 2, but modulus of minus 2 means modulus of r is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. Therefore, sum to infinity does not exist. Sum to infinity does not exist hereby because modulus of r is greater than 1. If modulus of r is less than 1, then we can exactly find out the sum. Okay, up to infinity terms. Now, last one, 9.8.1. 9.8.1. 9.8.1, 7.29, and etc. Here a is equal to 9, r is equal to 8.1 upon 9, which is equal to 0.9. Modulus of r, which is equal to 0.9, is less than 1. Therefore, sum to infinity exists. आता infinity exists होते, then find out the sum. S infinite is equal to a upon 1 minus r. This is your formula. S infinite is equal to a is nothing but 9 upon 1 minus r, which is equal to 0.9. We can say 9 by 10. We can write down here 0.9, that is 9 by 10. 1 minus 9 by 10. S infinity is equal to 9 upon 1 by 10. This is equal to 90. S infinity is equal to 90. अशा पद्धतीने आपण सम टू इन्फिनिटी एक्झिस्ट होतो की नाही होत आहे. एक्झिस्ट होत असेल, why it exists? Because modulus of r is less than 1. If and only if modulus of r is less than 1, it exists. The sum to infinity. Otherwise, if modulus of r is greater than 1, then we cannot exist this sum to infinity. आता आपण पुढे जाऊ. काही एक्झाम्पल्स असे आहेत की ते रिकरिंगचे डेसिबल मध्ये कसं कन्वर्ट करायचं. तुम्ही 9th मध्ये हा शिकलेला आहे. जसं की फॉर एक्झाम्पल 5.7 बार असेल, असं असेल तर काय करायचं. लेट असं म्हणत होता. 9th मधलं सांगतो मी. गो बॅक टू द 9th स्टँडर्ड. सी, लेट x इज इक्वल टू 5.7 and this is recurring. Why 7 7 7 7 7? We know that this is nothing but 5.7777. So one decimal point is there. There is one recurring point. That's why we have to multiply it by 10x. 10x is equal to, this will be 57.7 bar. Now 10x minus x is equal to 57.7 minus 5.7 or 7 bar, which is equal to 9x. 57 minus 5, 7 7 can cancel. 57 minus 5, 52. Therefore x is equal to 52 by 9. This is in the rational number, in the rational form. Okay, 52 by 9. This is your final answer. Similarly, 3.17 is there bar. Then let x is equal to, which is equal to 3.17 17 17 and etc. X is equal to 3.17 bar. Two numbers are there here, 2 digits. That's why you have to multiply by 100. 100x is equal to 317.7 bar, 17 bar. 100x minus x, 99x is equal to 317 point R7 minus 3 point R7 3. 99x is equal to 315 minus 3 314. Therefore x is equal to 314 by 99. अशा पद्धतीने आपण 9th मध्ये पाहिले. Now by using ZP, how to convert this recurring decimal in the form of rational we have to see right now. बघूयात आता अशा पद्धतीने करायचं. काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण घेऊ. 0.7 which is equal to 0.777777 and so on. Now we can write this 0.7 plus 0.07 plus 0.007 plus 0.0007 plus and so on. See, क्लिअरली तेच येणार ऍडिशन मध्ये. बरोबर. आता इथे काय होतं, these are the terms in GP with what? A is equal to 0.7 and R is equal to 0.01. See, 0.07 upon 0.7 which is equal to 7 upon 100 into 7 by 10 is 10 by 7. Cancel 7. 0.1, 0.1. 1 upon 100, 1 upon 10, that is equal to 0.1. Which is modulus of this, which is less than 1. Sum to infinity again. Sum to infinity a upon 1 minus r, which is equal to a 0.7, 1 minus 0.1, which is equal to 0.7, that is equal to 7 by 10 upon 1 minus 1 by 10, which is equal to 7 by 10 upon 10 minus 1, 9 by 10, which is equal to 7 by 10 into 10 by 9, which is equal to 7 by 9. This is your final answer by using sum to infinity. Right now, this is the application of sum to infinity formula for this, to convert the recurring decimals in the form of rational. Correct. Okay. Now see, 9th type. 9 मध्ये काय करतो आपण इथं 0.7 consider x is equal to bar, 10x is equal to, मग तुम्ही म्हणाल सर हे खूप सिंपल आहे, बार 7 म्हणजे हा 0.77777 आहे ना, x is equal to, we can write down here like this. 10x केला की हा 7 इथं जातो, 7.777, that is 7.7 bar. 10x minus x is equal to 7.7 bar 7 minus 0.7. 9x is equal to 7 minus 0, that is 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 by 9. Clear? 7 by 9. This is clear. Okay. And now 2.4. समजलं कसं करायचं आहे? होमवर्क साठी घ्या 0.8 bar 8. This is for homework. Next 2.4. X is equal to, this x is equal to 2 plus 0.4, which is equal to 2 plus 0.4 plus 0.04 plus 0.004 plus 0.0004 plus so on. Here 2 plus, here the terms are in GP with a is equal to 0.4 and r is equal to 0.1. Therefore 2 plus, as sum of this all infinite terms is equal to 2 plus a 0.4 upon 1 minus 0.1, 2 plus 0.4 upon 0.9, 2 plus 4 by 9, which is equal to 9 2s are 18 plus 4 22 by 9. 22 by 9 is correct answer. For example, x is equal to 2.4 bar. 10x is equal to 24 sorry 24.4 bar. Here 10x minus x is equal to 24 point bar 4 minus 2 point bar 4, which is equal to 22. 9x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 22 by 9. So तुम्ही म्हणाल अरे it is very much easy than this. त्याचं ऍप्लिकेशन आपण शिकतोय, थोडं मोठे झालो ना आपण, आणि बारक्या मुलांसारखं काय करायचं असं होतंय ना. आता मोठ्या मुलांसारखं काय, we know the sum to infinity of the terms in GP. This is nothing but the formula for sum to infinity of the terms, that is a upon 1 minus r. लक्षात घ्या, जसं आपण पुढे जाऊ तसं आपल्याला ऍप्लिकेशन जमलं पाहिजे. आतापर्यंत आपण रट्टा मारला, बघितलं आहे तसं सॉल्व्ह केलं, लिहून काढलं. तुम्हाला स्वतःला काय वाटतं, हाऊ विल यू अप्लाय दॅट गिवन फॉर्म्युलेज वॉट एव्हर मे बी इट इज यू हॅव स्टडीड. ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींचं ऍप्लिकेशन तुम्हाला जमलं पाहिजे, आणि हे जमण्याकरता स्वतःचं डोकं वापरलं पाहिजे. ठीक आहे, मी इकडे देतोय, तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. जसं की मी आता इकडे सांगेन 2.6 बार. आता इथं आणि स्मार्ट वाले कसं असतं, म्हणजे जेई त्याला क्रॅक करायची, ऍडव्हान्स क्रॅक करायची ना, तर त्यांच्या डोक्यात पटकन येतं अरे आपण चिकित्सा करत राहायची. इथं 2.4 आहे, क्लिअरली बेटर तर 24 होईल. इथं 22 आलाय, 24 मायनस 2 केला 22 आला. 0.1 एकच डेसिमल रिकरिंग आहे, म्हणजे बाय 9 येतो. 2 असतील तर 99 येतो. सिमिलरली याचा आन्सर जसा 8 by 9 म्हणेन मी, तर याचा आन्सर 26 मायनस 2 24 by 9 येईल. मग हे काढायचं कसं असं येईल, पण हे ज्याला समजतं ना पटपट पटपट डायरेक्टली आन्सर तो देऊ शकतो. जर ऑप्शन्स मी काही तुम्हाला PDF सेंड करेन सिक्वेन्शियल सिरीजमध्ये एपीचे. आता एपी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलंच नाही ना, हाऊ टू सॉल्व्ह एपीज प्रॉब्लेम्स. ओके, तर तुम्ही काय करायचंय, मी जे PDF तुम्हाला सेंड करेन ते PDF तुम्ही मला आन्सर टाईप करून तुम्ही काय करायचं, मला व्हॉट्सअप करायचे, म्हणजे मी चेकआउट करेन. मी नंतर काय करेन, तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करून दिल्यानंतर त्याचे आन्सर सेंड करेन. म्हणजे यामुळे काय होईल की तुम्ही ऍप्लिकेशन कसं करू शकता हे लक्षात येतं. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे आन्सर्स तुमच्या समोर असतात. इथं आन्सर्स आपण काढतोय आता, पण ऑलरेडी आन्सर्स तुमच्याकडे असतात आणि ते आन्सर्स बघून तुम्हाला हे सॉल्व्ह करायचं असतं. नेक्स्ट जाऊ आपण, नेक्स्ट पुढे काय काय बघू. दिस इज होमवर्क. नेक्स्ट आहे 2.3 बार काय, 2.3 बार काय. दिस इज नथिंग बट 2.3 5 5 5 5 5 here 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.05 plus 0.005 plus 0.0005 plus up to dot. बघा इथं हा काय झाला 2.3 झाला, प्लस त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड केल्यामुळे सेकंडला 5 आला, थर्डला 5 आला, फोर्थला 5 आला, सेकंडला 5, थर्डला 5, फोर्थला 5. सेम मीन्स व्हॉट, इथं ऍक्च्युअल काय होणार आहे 2.3 प्लस 0.05 बार असणार, 0.05 बार. मग इथनं चालू होणार 0.05 प्लस 0.00 इथे येणार 5, परत इथे 0 येणार असा, प्लस आता इकडे हा 0.05 प्लस 0.005 प्लस 0.0005 प्लस these are terms in GP with A is equal to 0.05 and R is equal to 0.005 upon 0.05, which is equal to 5 upon 1000 into 100 upon 5. 5 get cancel, 1 2 1 2 again 0.1. R is equal to 0.1, which is less than again 1, means we can use sum to infinity here. 2.3 plus a upon 1 minus r, 2.3 plus a 0.05, 1 minus 0.1, which is equal to 2.3 plus 5 upon 100 upon 9 upon 10. See 1.9 आला म्हणजेच काय 2.3 plus 5 upon 100 into 10 by 9, which is equal to 2.3 plus 5 by 9. 5 by 90. 2.3 plus 1 by 80. 2 plus 0.3 plus 1 by 80 plus 0.3. आपण चेक करूया 2.3 आन्सर. Question number second, third one. .3 plus 5 by 90. 23 by 10 plus 5 by 90. 9 ने मल्टीप्लाई करायचा. This will be 212 divided by 90. 2 ones are 0, 2 6 are 245. 106 upon 45. 106 upon 45. आपल्याला कशात विचारलंय त्यांनी, या पद्धतीनेच विचारलंय की तुम्ही रिकरिंग डेसिमलचं काय करा, याच्यामध्ये कन्वर्ट करता. म्हणजे दिस इज युअर फायनल आन्सर. ॲक्च्युअली करेक्ट मीन्स 2.3 plus 5 by 90, and we can convert this 2.3 plus 1 by 80. You can actually convert this in the form of this, and 2.3 plus 5 by 90 is nothing but 106 by 45. This is your correct answer. Clear? बघा 9च्या मेथडनुसार करता येते का. 2.3555 x इज इक्वल असेल आणि 100x केला तर 100 पण नाही, हा 235.55555 99x इज इक्वल टू. याला क्लिअर करण्यासाठी 2.3 आता हा तिथं तुटका पडतो. हा 10x केला तर हा 23.5 येतो. मग याला काय करावं लागेल तुम्हाला, 100x इथं 10x ला हा आला, 100x आला तर 235.5 आला. आणि मग तुम्ही 100 मायनस 90x इज इक्वल टू 235 मायनस 23 होईल. आणि मग हा काय होईल, 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 3 1, 2 90x म्हणजे x is equal to 212 by 90, x is equal to 2 ने मल्टी 2 ने डिवाइड होतो 0 6 अपॉन 4 पाय 106 अपॉन 45 अशा पद्धतीचं होतं. म्हणजे पुन्हा तुम्हाला 10x करावं लागेल 100x करावं लागेल. हे पण सिंपल मेथड आहे. क्लिअर. आता तुम्ही दुसरा तुमच्यासाठी घेतो. नेक्स्ट आहे 51.0 बार 2. 51.0 बार 2. सिमिलरली आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल आता इथं x is equal to 51.0 bar 2 51 plus 0. bar 2 which is equal to 51 plus 0.0 bar 12. These are in terms GP, whereas 0.2 and R is equal to 0.1. 0.002 upon 0.02, 2 upon 1000 into 100 upon 2. Clear? 1 upon 0.1 आला. कारण 0.1 which is less than 1 again. 51 plus a upon 1 minus r. 51 plus a 0.02 upon 1 minus 0.1. 51 plus 2 by 100 upon 9 by 10, which is equal to 51 plus 10 by 99, 2 by 90. Four 592 upon 90, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12 upon 45. 2296 upon 45. 2296 upon 45. This is the final answer. Okay. Similarly, there are again 2 more questions on this. The common ratio of the GP is 2 by 3. R is equal to 2 by 3, which is less than 1. And sum to infinity, s infinity is equal to 12. S is equal to 12. Then find out first term. You have to find out A. कसा A find out करणार मग तुम्ही? सिंपल आहे. A find out करायचं असेल तर S is equal to A upon 1 minus R आहे ना. 12 is equal to A upon 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. 12 is equal to A upon 3 ones are 3 minus 2 upon 3, which is equal to 12 is equal to thrice A upon 1. 3A is equal to 12, therefore A is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. Similarly, the first term of GP is 16. A is equal to 16 given, and sum to infinity S is equal to 96 by 17. Then find the common ratio. S is equal to A upon 1 minus R. Therefore, 17 is equal to 17. 96 by 17 is equal to 16 upon 1 minus R. Here, 1 minus R is equal to 16 upon 96 by 17. 1 minus R is equal to 16 into 17 upon 96. 1 minus R is equal to 17 by 6. 1 minus 17 by 6 is equal to R. R is equal to correct 6 minus 17 upon 6, which is equal to minus 11 by 6. Minus 11 by 6. This is your final answer. Next, similarly असे examples आहेत. या पद्धतीचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करा आणि एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काहीच नाही समजलं तर पुन्हा मला कॉल करू शकता किंवा मला मेसेज करा. आय विल टेल यू. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.